Hi, Mike. We have a product to test. Let's shut this there. Betamoon Prime electrolytic drink mix. These are usually really gross. Any product like this. But then, I don't know. Red Bull, I tried it once. I would never try that again. Okay, what have these got in it? These have got zeros on just about anything. But down here, we have 50% of your vitamin A, 100% of your E, 200% of B12, potassium, 15%, vitamin C, 100%, vitamin B6, 200%, and it's got magnesium, 124. It's got no added sugar. Does it have any flavor? Coconut water, concentrate, citric acid, potassium phosphate, natural flavoring, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Contains coconut. Okay, so it should taste something like coconut. Now, what I did in preparation for this is for 16 ounces. So, I refilled up a soda bottle, ginger ale bottle, to put this in, since it's supposed to do 16 ounces, right? Is that what it says? 6 serving sizes. Yeah, it says that on it somewhere. You know, they basically make them so they could put it in. This has an easy tear. That actually looks like it's going to tear easily. What do you know? Now I have, I have all kinds of trouble with my hands. I just got some carpal tunnel surgery done. A shout out to Maine plastic hand and face, or the other way around, plastic face and hand, whatever. And they did the operations, and they did a really good job. I'm going to do a separate video about them. It worked out so well. But unfortunately, I also have, besides the carpal tunnel, which is gone now, I have arthritis in the thumbs. And I don't know about that. That requires them taking something out of your arm and putting it in your thumb. You're in a cast forever. And then you have to do physical therapy to get your hand working just right again. Okay, let's try it. Get ready to, I've got some water here. Wash it out of my mouth if I need to. Hopefully I don't spit it right out. It tastes like, what's it taste like? It's not objectionable. Don't know if I can taste chemicals, but it has a kind of odd taste to it. Let's see what they're doing for flavor, for sugar type things. Citric acid, natural flavor, magnesium, sucralose. Okay, there's the sweetener, probably. So, I don't know. Not bad. So, I could definitely drink this. It has an aftertaste when you drink it. It's one flavor, and then in a minute it's something else. That could be the sweetener, but I am pleasantly surprised that this brand is completely drinkable. Low calorie hydration stick, 0 sugar added. And it's supposed to build muscles, give you energy, all kinds of good stuff. It's got potassium, which is something they put in, although it's 15%. Normally sodium is in things that are, you're recovering for something that you're sweating a lot, because the sodium goes out in sweat. Pleasant surprise. Bye.